On God, this is the last dunk low I'm picking up unless the materials change and get better. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at yet another pair of dunks. So for those of you that have stopped by for the first time, welcome. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I have content coming out every now and then. And if you're a returning subscriber, also for those of you that are here for the first time, feel free to leave a thumbs up at any point of this video if you like what you see. So this is a pickup from the month of March or April. Shout out to my friend Gokul, Goxy71, for hooking this up for me. Now, this was at the peak of when I was really feeling dunks. I have the Panda dunk, a detailed review of which I've left right here. You can go check it out. And I told Gokul, man, hey, can you go and try and queue up for this pair for me because I really like it. And he was kind enough to do that for me. So without much further ado, ladies and gents, there you have it. The Coast Dunk. This is a really neat colorway. It's a really neat colorway for sure. Just take a look at that, right? I remember when these dropped back in March or April, a lot of people were calling this the UNC. Eventually then an actual UNC dropped. And I've never seen a UNC and a Coast Dunk side by side. I know the UNC is a more subtler powder kind of a blue going on, and I like that. You know, actually this is based off the colors of UCLA. So you have your light blue and this yellow, which is actually called University Gold. So the detailing is done in yellow. This Nike embroidery right there on the heel. You have the tongue tab with the yellow, and of course you have the lace tips as well done in yellow. Oh, I missed this out completely. The insole as well is done in this yellow or the University Gold, and it has the Nike Air branding done in light blue. Let me actually check out the color codes on the box. It says Sail, Coast, and University Gold. Are you telling me all these white panels are Sail? If you guys actually have a pair, because you know I'm getting this quite late in hand, make sure to drop a comment and let me know. Right, so I'm looking at the Panda and the Coast Blue Dunk side by side, and yeah, the Panda has got black and white and the Coast is actually Sail and not white. Yeah, now it makes sense. Now I want to tell you guys that my two complaints with my previous dunk lows continue on this one. The materials are quite substandard. It's not soft at all. Maybe the blue panels are kind of soft, but the white panel, man, that's just like some plasticky kind of leather, you know. And the second thing, of course, are these thicker and slimmer nylon laces that I'm not feeling at all. It was a problem even with the Spartan Green Dunks. I did a lace swap. I'll leave a link to that video right here. I don't care how wild the colorway, I don't care what collab. If the materials aren't getting any better, I'm done picking up dunks because I have 3 dunks, all good colorways. Obviously your outsole, I have to show you that, right? And if you guys have seen the Coast Dunk and the UNC Dunk side by side, tell me which one do you prefer? I'm thinking of doing a lace swap. I might have to go with white. The only reason I'm hesitating is because I don't want to lose out on this detail, but then hey, I think white laces would look really clean on this otherwise clean sneaker. I'm now going to slip these on feet to show you what they look like. Thank you for staying all the way to the end, you guys. Now, I missed speaking about the sizing on this sneaker. So this was a women's exclusive, so I picked up a 10.5, which is a US 9, therefore a UK 8. They have both the male and female sizing right there, which makes it quite helpful actually when you're copying a women's exclusive. So yeah, thoughts on this pair? I think I only recommend this for the colorway. The materials are trash, the lace is kind of not working for me. But yeah, if you have the choice between a UNC and this, I think it really doesn't matter if you really think this university gold detailing, that subtle detailing. It's not like you're going to be flexing your insole wherever you go, right? So for just that detailing, if you had to choose between a UNC and a Coast Dunk, I would say go with whatever you feel like, man, whatever is easier on the pocket, because these I think are going for a pretty penny. Yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys soon on the next one. You guys stay safe and stay healthy. Peace.